Hello guys and welcome to Rishik Sathik Vlogs. I am Rishik and today we are heading into the wild to explore one of India's most iconic natural wonders, Dudhsagar Waterfalls. From the booking to the trek and finally the breathtaking view, I'll take you along step by step. Let's get started. To visit Dudhsagar, you book a jeep safari at the entry points like Kulem or Mollem. Now let's take a quick break to talk about the costs and what you need to actually carry. For a public sharing jeep, we must pay Rs 600 per person. And if you like, you can buy a private jeep which is a capacity of 7 people for Rs 4200. And we also must include forest entry fees which is Rs 260 per person. And we must carry our life jackets which is Rs 40 per person. For booking, you must carry a valid ID card and cash, since digital payments aren't always reliable here. Once booked, the jeep ride takes you through the Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary, which is a thrilling path with streams, greenery and the sound of nature all around. Before reaching the falls, the 15-minute trek itself feels like a hidden adventure. You hear the rustling of leaves, the distant call of birds, and the splash of small streams crossing your path. Lucky hi. Hi. As you reach closer, the sound of rushing water grows louder, and then Dudhsagar reveals itself, a towering cascade of white froth crashing down from over 300 meters. Sunlight filters through the canopy, painting golden patches on the trail. Every step feels like you're uncovering a secret world. The smell of wet earth, the cool breeze brushing past, and the excitement of knowing the mighty Dudhsagar is waiting at the end. It's nature's soundtrack guiding you forward. The mist rising from the falls, the roar echoing through the valley. It's a sight that leaves you speechless. You walk around barefoot on the rocks, feel the spray of mist on your face, and let the roar of the falls drown out every other thought. Comfortable shoes keep you steady, water keeps you refreshed, and avoiding plastic keeps the sanctuary clean. The season right after the monsoon, from July to February, gives you the best mix of full waterfalls and pleasant weather. You spend time soaking in the view, capturing photos, and simply enjoy the vibe. At the base, you swim in the cool water with fish. But life jackets are mandatory. So that's our Dudhsagar adventure. From booking the safari to trekking through the forest and finally standing before this mighty cascade. If you're planning your own trip, remember, carry your ID, keep about Rs 600 per people or per person ready for the jeep safari, Rs 260 for entry and Rs 40 for the life jacket. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Rishik Sathik Vlogs for more adventures. Until next time, keep exploring. Bye.